What if I told you that you can make this effect in CapCut in just a few minutes and use it to promote almost any product? Today I will show you how to create it step by step. You only need your phone, CapCut and a simple hand movement. First, keep your phone in one place so the camera doesn't move. Make a small frame with your fingers. Slowly make it bigger and then make it smaller again. Move your hand slowly. This is important, because slow movement will make the editing process much easier. Now let's open CapCut. Before we start editing, I want to share a useful tool that I use and recommend it. It is called DropCut. It helps you move CapCut projects to another Mac or send an editable projects to your editor without losing any files. DropCut finds every video, image and sound used in your project. Then it packs the project and all its files into one portable file. Your editor can import it and continue working immediately. No red clips and no missing files. You can find the link in the description. Now create a new project in CapCut and add your video. Add the same video again as an overlay. Select the overlay, open mask and choose the mask with the pen icon. Zoom in and draw a small rectangle between your fingers. Then add your first keyframe. Move the video forward a little and change the mask so it follows your fingers. Move forward again and change the mask again. Continue until the end of the movement. Then add any color effect you like. Watch the video and fix the mask if it covers your fingers. You can use this effect to show makeup, clothes, jewelry, food, phones, hotel rooms or restaurant dishes. You can change a product's color or create a before and after video. One final tip: keep your hand movements slow and simple. Subscribe to Create for more CapCut tutorials and content ideas.